So class, today we are going to be learning about addition and subtraction. So now if you look at the board, you will see 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 2 plus 2 equals to 4, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Now that's the product of addition. When we add 1, you get the next. So who can tell me the 1 plus 1 is what?
Uncle I.
Okay, get up and tell us.
Uncle, you say that 1 plus 1 is 2 because if we carry one orange and put another one, it will come out 2 times, so we call it 2. Yes, thank you.
Wow, that's good. Clap for her, everybody. I said people should clap for her. You are making noise. Now, because of that, Ejima, write me names of noisemaker. I need the name of everybody that's making noise. Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to write all of them name.
Hey, Okpara Alpha na IDB. You enjoy it. Waiting there hand now.
What concern you there?
This one where they hide them. They hide the biscuits. Bring them out. Make we chop now. No, they do stingy.
No, be you do me first. That day, wait for episode 1, you know, give me mango. I don't do you back. Wait, who is on now?
I beg, no come out from my face, daddy. You see, you won't give me.
Sure. Same big head. The day when go beg me biscuit for school, I go disgrace am. Sharp. I no go even care. Mango. I don't do you back today.
God, say make you no retaliate. See, don't they do your own now?
Yeah. You know, say first to do, no they pain. Last to do, now they pain pass. I beg you. I know will give you see biscuit. I know will give you even small.
You know good. Okay, I go do you back. Hey, Ejima, the most brilliant girl in our class.
You think say they wise?
Ochuko, what is it again? Do you want to steal my pen like you steal that day?
No. I'm just trying to help you so that you'll be able to concentrate and read and pass the exam. You know, so that you don't waste your time.
Okay, now that's good. If you want, that means I will be able to read now. So, okay, take a piece of paper and write it for me.
Don't worry, I will help you to write the name of everybody that make noise. Trust me now.
Yes, I'm back now. So, can I see the list of names of noisemakers? Now, flog everybody that make noise when I was not here. Can I see it?
So, it's here.
You think say they wise?
Yeah.
So you see that I wrote it now. Yeah,
I just write it now. Sir, this list has the name of everybody that make noise in this class. All.
give it to me before you start writing names.
You are a failure. You can
So
never
if you
make
hear
it.
your name, you come outside to the front of the class. Ahmed, Okpara, Success, Osinachi. So you were the ones making noise in my class now, because I was not there. I'm going to show you people today. I don't joke. Hey, now number 1, Okpara, I come out. Fast. Hello, who is this? You say, okay, no, sir, from hospital. Okay, what? My wife just born a bouncing baby boy, and they've paid the bill for us. Hey, Hey, thank God, oh, thank God, thank God. Thank
Uncle,
God.
flog him
Oh,
first now.
God will
This
bless you.
boy, especially this boy,
God
flog him
bless you,
first
nurse.
before you go.
Come. Ochuko, can't you see I'm in a call? And by the way, why are you still insisting that I should flog them? My wife just put to bed. And I have to celebrate it, not flog again. So that is it for today. And why do you even insist that I should keep on flogging them? I've pardoned them. I don't want to flog anybody today again. I'm so very, very happy now.
Boy, he's among the noisemakers now. he's among the
You must
noisemakers.
be a very wicked boy. You are the one that I'm going to flog now. You are a wicked boy. Now, give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Hey,
Give me your hand.
hey,
Give
sorry.
me your.
Hey,
Give me your hand.
hey.